Good morning, student. I am Dr. Lokesh Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Research Short Video. Today we talk about the difference between quota sampling and proportionate sampling. Last video we already talked about the quota sampling, but some extent it's similar to proportionate sampling. So proportionate sampling comes under probability technique, but quota sampling comes under non-probability technique. There are few similarity and some dissimilarity as well, but yes, we talk about similarity as well as dissimilarity both. If you talk about the similarity between quota sampling and proportionate sampling is that stratified random sampling. The only difference is that the quota sampling, the final selection of individual is not random, but in case of proportionate stratified random sampling, final selection is the individuals is random. So it's the difference is similar to probability and non-probability sampling. So keeping these things in mind, similarity of quota sampling sometimes referred to as the Spearman proportionate stratified random sampling. So that's why quota sampling is very important in non-probability technique, but because it's fulfill all the requirement of a proportionate sampling, but at the end they just use the non-probability sampling technique under the randomization. Without randomization, we finally select our sample. So if we quickly see the when we use and advantage and limitation of both. So yes, stratified random sampling in heterogeneous sample and several different group or strata is there. So we use the stratified random sampling for these type of researches. But same thing is there. Strata are present, but stratified random sampling is not possible. So due to some constraint, we are not able to use stratified random sampling. Then we shift our sampling technique into quota sampling. It's a non-probability technique. And advantage representative of the population under stratified random sampling. But advantage of quota sampling is simple, easy, and convenient. No complete number is needed. So without knowing the entire population, we can use quota sampling, but we are not able to use stratified random sampling. And limitation may be difficult to obtain. The list may be more expensive, but quota sampling population might not be representative. These are the limitation of quota sampling and the stratified random. And if we quickly revise the similarity and dissimilarity between quota sampling and stratified random sampling, similarity is that key population is divided into two category. It's called strata, and element from each category has been chosen. So this is the similarity between quota and proportionate stratified random sampling. In both cases, we use divide categories and choose a sample from these categories, and aim is to select the representative sample and promote this by subgroup. In a same case, quota sampling representative sample, our goal to pick only the representative sample and encourage the subgroup analysis as well. But similarity dissimilarity is that stratified random sampling is a probability technique, but quota sampling is a non-probability technique. And stratified random sampling has bias selection been minimized in stratified, but does not need sample frame in our quota sampling. But yes, in stratified random sampling, we need sample frame. Bias selection, yes, there is a selection biasness is minimized in stratified random sampling, but in quota sampling, bias selection cannot be minimized. Uh, Stratified random sampling has proficiency to represent the universe, but yes, quota sampling does not has no proficiency to represent the universe, and it is possible to estimate the random sampling error under stratified random sampling, but quota sampling unable to predict the random sampling error. These are the dissimilarity between quota sampling and stratified random sampling. And my upcoming video, 18th December, I just try to finish on convenience sampling and accidental sampling, and 23rd, sorry, 19th December, I try to finish on purposive and judgmental sampling, and 20th, it's a type of purposive sampling, and 21st, it's systematic sampling and snowball sampling, and why is the snowball sampling is used. These are the upcoming video. If you need some more topic to be discussed in next video, so please comment on video. I just try to make a video on that topic. And thank you for watching my YouTube channel or video. Please subscribe and share these videos.